Today we're making Ethiopian Tibs. There are lots of types of tibs, but this is my favorite. Tibs in Amharic means to fry. Welcome back to How to Cook It. 3 cups of lamb, 2 cups of onion, 2 cups of tomato, 2 tablespoons of garlic, salt and pepper. This is kibe. This is Ethiopian butter. Siga, shinkut, timatim, nech shinkut, chow kondo beberi, kibe. I have olive oil in my pan, and now we're gonna put the lamb in and cook for 6 minutes. The word of oil in Amharic is zait. Now we'll put in the onion and cook for 5 more minutes. Now we'll put in the garlic and cook for 3 more minutes. Now we're gonna add the salt and pepper and the tomatoes and cook for 7 or 8 minutes. Really cook the tomatoes over there. Turn the heat off. Put the kibe in. Ready to serve. This is my favorite type of tibs. My mom eats it with injera, but I don't like injera, so I use dabo. That's it. Lots of love.
Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.